So, good afternoon. My name is Tushar Rai and I'll be discussing about honor killing. I'll give you an overview of what I'll be explaining today. What is honor killing? Reasons, culture and social defenses, global issues, victims, factors leading in the killings, and what can we do, and some famous cases. So, what is honor killing? Basically, an honor killing is the murder of a family or a clan member by one or more fellow family members or relatives. So, it is believed in Indian society that a girl's character represents her family. The perpetrators believe the victim to have brought dishonor upon the family, clan, or community. The parents also have the belief that they have a right to kill their child. So, some main reasons of honor killing are: first is marrying a person outside the caste or religion, and desire of divorce, disobeying the dress code given by the community to the females, adultery, refusing arranged marriage, rape, engaging in lesbian or gay relationships. And misconceptions are there in the society, and there are two main misconceptions. First is honor killing is limited to rural areas, which is not. It is also in our state, in our country, and it is everywhere. And the second misconception is that it has religious roots, which it does not have any religious roots. And culture and social defenses are: it purifies the community or family status, which is not. And it is believed that it is traditional and tribal beliefs. The strong emphasis on family relationships in the caste and the same religion, and believe that the demand of Westerners deny the different culture traditions of those practicing honor killing, that it is very biased and very pure, and it is a tradition which has to be followed. And honor killing in India has been in various states, in Delhi, Haryana, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Bihar, and Tamil Nadu are the ones who have most number of cases of honor killing in India. And now I'll talk about a few victims. A 17-year-old girl named Dua Khalil, stoned to death by members of her community for falling in love with a Sunni Muslim man on 17th of April in 2007. And a very brutal case of Zahida, whose husband attacked her because he alleged that she had been unfaithful and brought some shame to the family. So he cut off her ears, tongue, nose, and gouged her eyes and left her bleeding. And Kandil Baloch, the father and cousin of a Pakistan's very famous social media star Kandil Baloch, were among the three persons charged by a court in Punjab province for her murder in July, which was an honor killing incident in 2016. Nirupama Pathak, a 22-year-old journalist, reportedly 3 months pregnant, was alleged killed by her family near their family home in Jharkhand in last week of April 2010 because falling in love with a lower caste boy. Sonia Sarwar, in 1999, was shot dead and killed by her parents in attorney's office as she filed divorce from her abusive husband. And there are a few factors which have been leading to the rise in killings, which is the first is the political support which has been given to those people, gender discrimination, and no strict punishment. And if I talk about the law and orders which have been taken up, there is in IPC the section 302, that is murder, and punishment for murder is applicable for honor killing. And we should also keep honor killing as it should be treated as a special crime, and members of the caste should be deemed to be guilty for this offense. And a CEDAW Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination Against Women is a treaty which has been made for all the countries in the world, which was ratified and supported by 186 nations, which has most of the Middle East countries. India, Pakistan, Brazil, Egypt, Israel, Italy, Jordan, Sweden, and Turkey are a few who had taken up in the rectification which was done in 1981. And what can we do in this? So we can raise awareness through education, send letters to relevant heads of countries where this is happening and advise them to act immediately and strictly, and set up a fund to raise money to halt domestic violence so that it can help the family of the victims. And youth should also be mobilized. And if I talk about two famous cases, first one is Manoj Babli honor killing case. The Manoj Babli honor killing case was the honor killing of Indian newlywed Manoj Banwala and Babli in June 2007, and the subsequent court case which historically convicted defendant for an honor killing. And Krishnagiri couple case, a 25-year-old Nandish from a Dalit community fell in love with Swati, an upper caste woman. The couple got married and lived together for a few months before they were both murdered by the couple's father. Swati's father has confessed to murdering them and throwing the bodies into a river in Tamil Nadu's Krishnagiri state. So these were the two cases, and that was my topic. Thank you.